So when it comes to budget true wireless earbuds, the $50 price point is kind of that sweet spot where you can get some pretty impressive bang for your buck. Today we're taking a look at the Edifier TWS1 Pro, which you can currently pick up for around 50 bucks. And for the price, these are definitely some of the best true wireless earbuds you can get simply because of their sound quality. They don't feature ANC or an ambient mode, but again, you're getting some really good sound quality, excellent battery life, and the call quality is surprisingly good as well. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what all they're bringing to the table. Alright, so for starters, they come in this gray color with some gold branding, and they also come in an ivory color, which personally I think looks extremely nice. You're getting a pretty typical size with the charging case. It's got a matte finish all the way around with some branding featured on the lid, and then over on the back is where you have your USB Type-C charging port, and you do have a single LED indicator on the front of the case to help you gauge your battery life. Overall, the build quality feels good, so no concerns there. And one feature that these don't have is wireless charging. So if that's a must-have for you, unfortunately, you will have to look elsewhere. Moving on to the earbuds, again, you have that gray color with the gold branding, and I would consider these to be medium in size, and they do fit in the ears really well, which we'll talk more about later. They also feature full touch controls, which gives you all of your playback functions, including volume. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.2, which is the latest in Bluetooth technology. So that's going to help give you a stable connection. As far as codecs, these feature aptX Adaptive, which is going to adjust the sound based on your device and the media that you're streaming to give you the best possible resolution and the lowest latency. So these are going to be great for watching videos as well as casual gaming. And as far as battery life, these are going to give you an impressive 12 hours on a single charge, which is better than a lot of earbuds more than twice the price. And then the total battery life extends to roughly 42 hours with the charging case. Also, you're able to get a full charge on the case itself in only about 40 minutes. And if you're the type of person that likes to extend their battery life by listening to one earbud at a time, you'll be happy to know that these support independent use, which means you can use either the left or the right earbud while the other remains inside of the charging case. And as far as water resistance, these are coming with an IP65 rating. So these are going to be a great option for the gym or a great option to take with you while you travel. If it happens to rain or anything that could potentially cause the earbuds to get wet, you'll have that peace of mind knowing that they're going to hold up just fine. So when it comes to the fit, the shape of the earbuds along with the right size ear tips is going to give you a really good seal. Even for me and my smaller ears, I've had no problems with them staying in place, so I can only imagine for medium to larger size ears, they'll fit even better. They are going to stick out somewhat from your ears, so they're not exactly the most discreet earbuds if that's what you're looking for. And like I mentioned earlier, you do get all of your playback functions via the touch controls, and the controls are easy to use. They're very responsive and accurate. Now let's go ahead and jump into the sound quality, which for me is where the value really lies. The main highlight is the treble and the clarity. The mids and highs are balanced very nicely to give you a very clean sound. So vocals come through extremely clear, and things like snares, hi-hats, cymbals, all of those are really brought to life. And at the same time, the bass does a great job of doing its part without overshadowing the mids and highs. So it's a very balanced amount of bass. These also have no issue picking up those really deep sub-bass tones, so the bass does have a good amount of range to it. You're also getting some great max volume, so when it comes to sound quality, I think there's no question that these have you covered. Now let's go ahead and do a quick microphone test to give you guys an idea of the call quality. I think the microphone sounds surprisingly clear, but I'll let you guys be the judge. Alright, so this is a microphone test of the Edifier TWS1 Pro. So this should give you guys a pretty good idea as to how you would sound if you choose to use these for phone calls. Go ahead and let me know how they sound down in the comment section below. So overall, when it comes to true wireless earbuds around the $50 price point, I think these are a great option. Again, you're getting great sound quality, strong battery life, and clear call quality. So if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description to make sure you get the most up-to-date price. So that's going to be it for this video. Do me a favor, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up in the future. Aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.